What's up guys, welcome to Tommy RC. Today I'm going to show you the Batrrzzi is called the option parts for the 1/18 or 1/24 crawlers. Now this is crawler tires and this is aluminum wheels and copper weight. Now let's unbox it. Wow, look at the tires. Soft and with foams in it. No, this is precipice. Wow, look at it. Copper with aluminum wheels and aluminum pegs. Oh, it's not aluminum. I think it's made by the iron. And you can see there's a hose in it. And this is aluminum. Oh, by the way, look at the copper weight. It also has the wheels. Sorry, it also has the hose. Now, after assembling the wheels and the tires, I finish it. Look at it. Now let's compare to the FMS 1/24, the Key5 Pro's factory tires and wheels. Now you can see this is the plastic wheels, and this is metals, so heavy. Compares. This is a little bit bigger. Now let's compare to the weight. Now this is 43.3 grams. Now the factory is only 16.9. Wow, this is so heavy, about twice or even third. Now you can see when I replace the factory's wheels with the updated wheels, it is bigger, but you can see, and it even can't put here with the max. Wow, so beautiful. The bigger tires. Now this is the updated wheels with the FMS 124's Keyfile Pro. Now, thanks for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, make comments down below, and I will see you next time. Bye.